Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study offset in SwiftUI. So let's start by creating a new file and name it as offset playground. So offset is it actually shift a view. It's a view modifier. So what it does, it shift a view by specified horizontal and vertical amount. So let's start to understand this with the help of an example. We are going to have an hashtag in here, and let's just write a rectangle and fill it with maybe red color and give it a frame of 100 height and 100 width. And let's write another rectangle and fill it with maybe yellow color and use a frame to provide 100 width and 100 point height. So now we have two rectangles and both have the same height and width, only difference is their color. So now what we want is we want this yellow rectangle to move maybe a little bit towards the red rectangle. So what we can do is we can provide an offset to this rectangle. So let's just try to provide an offset, and you can see that we have two values, x and y. So if we provide the x offset, and let's just use for now a positive value, maybe an offset of 100. So now you can see that our yellow rectangle has moved towards the right side, and this is because we have used a positive value. And in the same way, if you use a negative value, your offset is going to move towards the left side of the screen. And let's just use maybe an offset of 50 points. And now we have our two rectangles that are overlapping or on top of each other. So yeah, this is what offset does. And if you want, you can actually write the y value as well. Let's just say we want to shift this rectangle in vertical position by 20 points. So yeah, you can do this, or maybe let's just use 50. Yeah, so this is what offset does. It just shifts the view from its original position by the specified points that you have for the maybe vertical or the horizontal position. So this is what offset does. And since we are here, we can just use another property that we just learned in the previous tutorial, which was z-index. So now if you want your red rectangle on top of yellow, because right now yellow is on top of red, so we can do the we can use a z-index and provide a value of 1 for red, so that red is on top of yellow. And we already know that every view has a default value of 0 for z-index. So if you use a value greater than 1, then of course that view is going to be on top of the all other views. So that's it. This is a very simple concept, but it's very important, and it is really used during your app development life cycle. So that's it for this video. If you have anything, leave a comment. See you in the next one.